Hi, we're here in the kitchen of 22 Juniper Avenue. This home was extensively renovated in 2018, and we have Andi Wheelband here with us from Two Birds Design, who is going to tell us a little bit about how they managed this project. Thank you, Andi, for coming.
Hi, Tori. Nice to be here. Well, the homeowners really wanted to maintain the home's original character and charm. So we kept a lot of the original trim, the French doors and pocket doors, and we exposed this brick wall in the kitchen, which is a beautiful color. And then we added in some modern elements, obviously the big, beautiful kitchen with tons of storage and functionality.
It's stunning. And speaking of functionality, is there anything that you added into the home to make it more modern and functional?
We did, actually. So the main floor actually lacked a powder room, so we added one in under the stairs and had some fun with the color and playfulness in there. And we also added a little bar nook moment in the hallway.
My favorite.
Yeah, that sort of plays off the colors from the kitchen and ties in the rest of the space.
Yeah, it's really beautiful, and everyone wants a powder room. And adding a walk-in closet and a primary is a pretty significant enhancement to a home. How did you approach that?
Well, that's true. So back then, this home only had one full bathroom on the second floor. So that was really important to the homeowners to add that in. And we just created this little retreat by adding in this reading area as you walk in through from the bed area into the walk-in closet and full bathroom.
Yeah, it's incredible. It truly is a retreat. This has been fun, Andi.
Yeah, it's been great.
Thanks for coming. And 22 Juniper Avenue is on the market now. If you'd like to book a private showing, give us a call.